Hello everyone, this is Corbin Moss, and for this is case 1 for Dick's Sporting Goods assignment. And so Dick's Sporting Goods, the two key processes are the best price guarantee and the scorecard. So as we can see, the best price guarantee is pretty self-explanatory, and it will price match with competitor pricing, and that this applies to both in-store and online prices, and these price matching competitors could range from Academy to different sporting event stores. And then this business process is in place so Dick's Sporting Goods does not lose loyal customers to the competitors. And for the scorecard, Dick's Sporting Goods offers customers the opportunity to sign up for a loyalty card, which is named the scorecard. And for every $1 that customers spend using their scorecard, they will earn 1 point. 300 points are equivalent to a $10 reward, so a customer would have to spend $300 for a $10 reward, and customers can also earn 3 points a day by using the fitness tracker on their app. And this business process gives customers the incentives to shop at their store and gain these rewards. So for the 4 big data value drivers, for volume, increasing the amount of data will help us dive deeper into how different techniques can be used to reduce waste. And viewing the larger amount of data can help us see how each region of the country is doing in regards to waste management. And for velocity, if we are able to gain information on a daily basis, we can then view them at higher paces and make faster decisions based on day-to-day operations. Speed and data analysis will help tailor promotions to items that customers are currently looking for and related items they may want in the future. For variety, we can see that social media could provide information about causes that customers find worthwhile, tailoring sustainability initiatives to those that find similar causes important, and the fitness tracker technology to assess the types of activities customers engage in. And for veracity, internal data gathered from scorecard information at register should contain only slight inaccuracies, only if something was not scanned correctly or in an incorrect scorecard number for the customer was entered. So for the 5 phases for the big data model maturity index, the first one is business monitoring. This is when monitoring the competitors' prices and try to ensure that our prices are close to or under the competition. This ensures that we do have the best price guarantee and the customers won't have to price check. Monitor how many people actually have a scorecard, and then in turn how many of them actually use the scorecard. Monitor how many customers are currently buying products in store versus online, and the approach for sustainability goals will be different based on this info. Bags in store versus shipping options. Monitor the types of activities recorded in the fitness tracking capabilities of the scorecard app, and the number of customers that choose paper over plastic, sales in each sporting equipment category, and typical number of items each customer buys when in store. So for business insights, we can see that which customers participate in activities that might have an emphasis on leave no trace. This will be a good segment to focus efforts for alternative packaging solutions to see what would be most cost effective. Which customers purchase the most from business? This is another segment to focus attention on what they are buying and how to buy in regarding sustainability efforts. And then what type of goods are typically shipped versus purchased in store. Determining how to stock actual goods in store versus items only available online. The number of products / product size that is shipped might make a difference. Business optimization. Tailor email promotions to activities recorded for those that have fitness tracker attached to the account. and then tailor in-store merchandise for different large geographic regions according to the more popular activities for the area, hopefully cutting down on shipping costs and to-store merchandise transfer costs. So for data monetization, currently there is a donation option in the app for youth sports initiative, including is in the CSR. A commitment link could be added for customers to bring their own reusable bags. Once they click to commit, each time they bring their own bag, the linked account could be credited with additional reward points. And then customer customization information could be shared with in-house brand to develop new products. While developing these products, continued commitment to sustainable materials and practices. And then the question we have to ask is, would it be more profitable and sustainable to encourage in-store pickup or versus mail delivery? The company would need to make it easier and faster to pick up at the store location versus online. And for business metamorphosis, more intuitive shopping experience both in-store and online, building more promotions around products that consumers are going to purchase, seasonal distribution of products based on the sports and events that are being played on that specific season, creating partnerships with high-end athletes, and building a community through sponsoring youth teams and leagues. So as we can see, these 5 phases are going to be a big part of the coming operations and the questions that are going to need to be asked to push product and then in turn reduce waste in our operations.